Are you tired of constant shaving, razor burns, and short-lived results? Say hello to waxing, the ultimate solution for long-lasting smooth skin. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your technique, this ultimate waxing guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's get started. Waxing is one of the most effective hair removal methods, offering a range of benefits. Unlike shaving, which only removes hair from the surface, waxing pulls hair from the root, giving you weeks of smooth skin. Depilatory creams use chemicals that may irritate the skin, while waxing is a natural effective alternative. Laser hair removal is a long-term solution, but it's costly and not suitable for everyone. Waxing provides a balance between affordability and effectiveness. Plus, with different waxing types available like hot wax, warm wax and sugaring, you can choose the best method for your skin type and sensitivity. Proper preparation is key to achieving the best results. Here's how to get your skin ready. Exfoliate your skin 24 hours before your wax to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. Shower before your session to cleanse your skin and open up the hair follicles. Avoid sun exposure before waxing, as sunburned skin is more sensitive and prone to irritation. Next, choosing the right salon is crucial. Check reviews, ensure they maintain proper hygiene, and verify the experience of their estheticians. Experience professionals, positive customer reviews, clean and hygienic environment. Lastly, choose the right type of wax. Hard wax is great for sensitive areas, soft wax is ideal for larger areas, and sugar wax is a natural option perfect for sensitive skin. Now let's walk through the waxing process. First, warm the wax to the recommended temperature. Apply a thin layer in the direction of hair growth. Place the waxing strip if you're using soft wax and smooth it down. Hold the skin taut and remove the wax in the opposite direction of hair growth with a swift motion. After waxing, soothe your skin with aloe vera or a post-wax treatment to reduce redness and irritation. And remember, avoid sun exposure and heavy lotions for 24 hours. Worried about pain, ingrown hairs, or irritation? Here's how to manage them. Apply a numbing cream 30 minutes before waxing. Wax after a warm shower to open up hair follicles. Breathe deeply and relax your muscles to minimize discomfort. Exfoliate regularly with a gentle scrub or exfoliating gloves. Wear loose clothing to prevent friction post-waxing. Use tea tree oil or witch hazel to soothe the skin. If you experience redness or irritation, apply a cold compress and avoid touching the area. Want to keep your skin smooth for longer? Follow these tips. Do exfoliate and moisturize regularly to maintain soft skin. Don't use hot water or go tanning immediately after waxing. Do stick to a regular waxing schedule every 4 to 6 weeks for the best results. Long term, choosing a reputable salon and understanding your hair growth cycle will ensure the best waxing experience. And don't forget, hydration plays a key role in skin health. Now that you have the ultimate waxing guide, you're ready to enjoy smooth hair-free skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more skincare and beauty tips. See you in the next video.